entianra ana bro video bi na say it is more or less as a Galamsey scandal a cause a jail memo we mu a efa Amansie Central DCE Honorable Emmanuel Agyemang efa ne ho ewi na me bre mu ntirim na ene no Honorable Abeka Safa ho no tirim za ansensem no enya nokure masa enya nokure Ghana for enya nokure o tirim se enya nokure na ye bede nkomo no akere wadwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media mesro ase ani di obe like video no da ma subscribe button some be click notification on the latest update na ba kere wadwen de ama me e wo comment section so ba so a no share for enya bi ahwe. So when it comes to the issue of Galamsey and the fight against Galamsey, NDC government in opposition promised Ghanaians, said when they come, they will put their presidency on the line. As Akufo-Addo said, that he will put his presidency on the line. And in fact, Akufo-Addo proved that. Because 2020, now Akufo-Addo to Galamsey for so sapa. And because of that, Galamsey areas, Akufo-Addo nearly lost or lose seats, many seats at the Galamsey areas. Because Galamsey for believe we say Akufo-Addo po myself. Person Omanuel bi anebo mu. And I say, and Mahama promised Ghanaians say, Oba stop Galamsey and Oba use AI. They fight Galamsey. They gonna phone na ni cause na he say we are say AI, artificial intelligence and LED. And say Mahama ka say, the AI be fight Ghana Galamsey. I say, we are more advanced man. I say we are more advanced. That was that same time then this Bobby go mu dem. Say Galamsey for no boss say o mo nyiro mo ho. Omo ntoma Mahama ba obema kwan amaye to Galamsey ni more on the 8th on the 9th ye boy ba na Mahama ewini na mumra mbe ye boduma ya me mama kwa ko yimu ye da wi ya adofo tena ye pay for no etikan no tena munim no me tena me Galamsey ni enra me kan wo nyame adom ni se nyame boana muto ama M7 ebe ye deja we si munko ye ba yebetu ase we si ye ba ye be ma ye na se abe bebrebe na ba ka adem ha betena konya so na se issue of Galamsey no ase koson kakra emum te Galamsey anti Galamsey task force that 9 months a almost ebo modern e do betimi blue water guard ho hwan obi a na fam de kakra but say na zero just something for the camera to capture for bloggers to make update on that kwa ebusia enu achi no ana video be play on the internet as a video no Galamsey documentary join us for as a join us nipa of fighting Galamsey pa Erastus Asare Donkor e wo Ghana ha no or the life at one so obe fighting Galamsey e wo Ghana ha. The video it came from Amansie Central how Amansie Central DCE kwamboni a wonam so e promote Galamsey no de ndo ne say o pese o to Galamsey na o be su chamfanya ye 30 million o betua yama receipt why your license o betua ko to Galamsey e ba o de kira yamo e kiri di o be su excavators so a e 30,000 300 million ultimi tua eno ano e kiri di yama receipt bibia ni afa kire watua ye be mo Galamsey no. And this particular video appear on the internet.
The consequences of this alleged extortion is palpable. While the country grapples with the Galamsey crisis, the Amansie Central District becomes a microcosm of how corruption can paralyze progress. This miner, Kofi Wusu, angry yet helpless, told us that his men were arrested because he hadn't paid to register his machines.
More than 3 hours. That time I'm up before best at 9:30 to 8 o'clock to I have back and now almost 3,000. Receipt to me a forgery paper. 5 days in the cry December January. Now what can be 1 year 30 million now. Now 5 days 2 months.
How much 30 million?
3,000. Me almost me bra. One machine you 3,000. I have 1 machine you 3,000. Me mopa me contract encourage to just straight walk. Me red. Me just red. Una be come me. O say na young red you gonna imam. Sekosi aye nyina ye divide ye say. In say nipa na tutu na ba wo so obebo awo de. Send ye nka ya sempa. Ye nyina ye decide say a month or so 2 million. Yeah. Me tia me de. So what dey? Ah ye nimu say odotobu ya de obi mfi akire ensa me ha ye bi. Any 2 weeks or any week go na red so buy. Red the catch right say esuru wono na adwuma na so no. National security for adwuma.
Purchase of 1 leg sticker for 3,000.
As we arrived at the assembly for yet another attempt to complete our payments, we met a woman seated quietly in front of the building. What looked like an ordinary visit would soon reveal a story that exposed the cruelty of the system we had come to investigate. She was an illegal miner. Her machines had been seized earlier this morning, and like many before her, she had come here in desperation, not for justice, but for permission.
Now, oh, yeah, mama. Yeah, where's this? One leg. Yeah, oh, I think I never shall say.
According to no so means the machine is here. This might be trying to be trained.
And to my bedroom.
She told us that the district chief executive himself had directed her to return only after seeking approval from Red, the very man orchestrating the illegal collection.
DC.
Because when I go you want money, your friend is saying,
DC, it's me at your
Nurse, I be a serious issue. Say, hey, now more almost in Babu topic Galamsey, no. I fed your country, a Mukara mo shemukina, and I said the same thing. I'm saying, with you. DC, you know, Wabekasa, Amansie Central DCE, Wabekasa. Now, weighing in Chirim, what the crata about 110 Amansie Central District Assembly, setting the record straight on the so-called Galamsey tax. Amansie Central District Assembly has taken note of a recent expose being circulated under the title Galamsey Tax. I say, I bet you money we say, oh, video be at a call, mia call. Social media mountain so a trend there tighten that so no Galamsey tax is a Galamsey tour. Can I say public scrutiny is welcome in a democratic society, but it is important that discussions of this nature are guided by facts, proper context, and fairness rather than selective narratives that may mislead the Ghanaian public. Yes, oh, some investigation. Money be any. But some the documentary be about one thing, you should back it with fact. Now, meaning fact cry honorable can was because in the video no. Any partner omo ya Galamsey omo site no ya Galamsey no. And the receipt actually. It meaning fact crow be mu a honorable can was meaning but young can letter no. To begin with, the collection of revenue from operators who use earth-moving equipment within the district did not originate under the current administration. That's what you know. Omo say jiska, omo use those equipment, those chamfine excavators, no, edia aye adwon asare so fuma gude omu di tu bie no. Ya des kind of operator kire say enya administration na start start fi baby ana eba. That's what you know. Start fi MPP pencil ana eba. This revenue arrangement has existed for many years and spans several political administrations. I say, ache. That's what you free JJ pencil na eba. It spans many political, administrations. Ache pa. Records available at the assembly including official receipts from 2023 and 2024, clearly shows that similar revenues were collected in 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020, and in subsequent years. Next, what you say? Oh, omo DC hono no obom office wa omo receipt bebrebe receipt no hemu e dia dance say hey even 2020 2008 omo GB what I say 2016 omo GB 2012 omo GB and 2020 omo GB na say as on na won okay let's say nyina koye election year nko ahụ ko 2008 election year 2012 election year 2016 election year 2020 elections the previous years no na omo anyi bia na election year nko no moje as one abo ka idea o de yento the character this one o say ona bo chirem say onye ono nkwa na di nka je masa e medical beje ko o ma beje ko obi abeji bi da. The current administration did not introduce this system. It inherited an already existing administrative arrangement. For clarity, this revenue collection is not an informal or arbitrary practice. It is based on an assembly by law that was duly passed as far back as 2008 and has been operational ever since. I say, omo de mra sa revenue mo je na say omo fiti ya no mo David ya de mra ta ya chire. I say ye di si hono mo as far back as 2008 and ye di si was a ko 4 pencil and ye di si hono mo na ba beduru ene etinya se fa jodi se na ono no ba beji bi enye nne na oba beji bi what you say enye nne ana oba beji bi. No individual under the present administration introduced this framework. What is being implemented is an existing legally grounded assembly by law that has worked over the years. The individual seen in the recordings, popularly referred to as Red, is not a new figure. He is a recognized revenue officer who has served the assembly under successive administrations. His role has consistently been to collect revenue on behalf of the assembly in line with laid down procedures. This same responsibility was performed under previous government without controversy. Next, what we say video ni nipa na owo mu na ye friend Red no ona is eto no ojeje no enye se nne na wa start there bi ono watena wa che ono na assembly no enim se eto no ona jeje afibia ho no ho no ona e cashman afibia no ono na eje 20 onye nipa foforo enye se bia NDC ba ye ada kofuna ba no ono ho dada ye se afibia no that revenue ono na eje how does it suggestions that these funds are privately kept or diverted are false and misleading. All monies collected are paid directly into the assembly's official account. These payments are supported by verifiable deposit slips and official receipts, of all of which are available for verification at the assembly. While footage was taken of revenue collection, the portion showing the actual banking of the funds was not shown. Nezo mtire mu se sika na omoyeje na se eko obi botom da bi omo bank ya assembly nka se bank ya odotobri rural bank omo receipt payment slip omo depositor slip bank ni omo receipt bia omo ni nyina oho no mo eti the fact as video ni mu no eko ba se as receipt nko omo de kire ni adade a e create impression mi se Galamsey ya nyina no omo amfa banking session ho na nkire it the video is not complete. What you say? Since assuming office, the assembly has ensured that these revenues are used to address critical operational needs. Official vehicles that were previously grounded and unserviceable have been repaired and returned to use. The assembly, which previously lacked basic logistics such as a pickup vehicle, has now been equipped to function more effectively. These are practical interventions that benefit the district and do not amount to personal gain. No, yes, yes, you can't be a general. Dear, they might be the bois assembly nankasa. Says the can't general. A bois assembly nankasa. Now, well, what I am to ask was, I say, the honorable change na ye sika na omo gye sika na omo gye no but o dey be at the end of the letter no honorable be kan because me twa and bia be se be hu e se ye sika be ya ba se omo sika kro di ba dey to aso. The assembly remains firmly opposed to illegal mining. That's the assembly no almost supporting Galamsey. Oh, they don't support illegal mining. The fight against Galamsey remains unchanged and uncompromising. It is therefore misleading to suggest that any official of the assembly created or operate a system to benefit from illegal mining, especially when the arrangement in question predates the current administration and has been administered transparently over the years. It is also important to emphasize that the authority to mobilize such revenue comes from the local government framework, which empowers metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies to make and enforce bylaws for the effective administration of their areas. If any individual or institution has concerns about this bylaw, the appropriate step is to formally write to the relevant local government authorities for a review. Until such a review or amendment is lawfully made, the assembly is duty-bound to implement the existing bylaw. Additionally, where claims are made about the legality of certain sites, the public deserves to know the legal and regulatory basis for such claims. Issues of legality are determined by the appropriate regulatory institutions, not by assumptions or selective recordings. Responsible journalism requires thorough investigations, balance, and fairness. This is a omu ebo Erastus Asare Donkor mu bonechi. Yes, this matter should not be turned into partisan propaganda or used to damage reputations. The facts are available. The receipts exist. The banking record receipts exist. The practice predates the current administration and it is grounded in law. What the public is witnessing is not the exposure of any wrongdoing, but the representation of an old administrative practice to suit a convenient political narrative. Ghanaians deserve the full truth, not fragment of it. And yakinka letter na wie. The ochire nyina ye sika no omogyegia no sika no ene osa be kire mu niam omode sika ne ye ene obe kire mu date a niam omusa so omogi de sika no. But in the video no omudi mu adanse ai hu nipa mu ye Galamsey mu site enye asma na bo kana me dey am sim na bo nya adwen ene se bia ye sika bi na free ba bi dia e fine but here sika nipa no Galamsey site ye adwuma o te fine so eti excavator so ye adwuma onu na ekase onu na tua sika we ya ma but ona bo se ba kirem sika no mogia no na bi sika bi da ho no sika na fini hinifa in the letter do head down to sika kro di yum the anyone say fine a local government revenue but revenue din dey say sika ba ya your income tax your toll booth tax your anti tax sika we no sika ba ya ona bo want man chirebo sika ba but bo say ona bo chirebo say ono dey say the video this ba abonten no enya sa na seroti ne penchiremu a yentwira krata amro maso eye o be me better answer one ne ya adwen ana still o wasemka ubeta kire wa adwen ama me e wo comment section ayi Penyah Block Media Accra.